My battery's low and I'm dying now. My battery's dying. I can't even sing a song. Where is the cat sound I purchased? Everything they fucking have has to be replaced. Where is it? I knew you. Who are you fucking stealing from? Annie McCann, did Ashley hurt you? There was a cannibal in your house, a psychopath. Ashley's a psychopath. Figured it out. That's not schizo. Annie McCann has a problem with narcissists. Linda McCann, Annie McCann can't go to jail. She's a witness. If she disappears. Annie McCann. And Kansas. Hello. Annie McCann, I need a place to stay. Can you please help? I don't think there's anybody else on earth that can help me.